So what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing / reviewing this new camera that I got. I'm super excited to share this with you guys. I am so excited for this, and I mean so excited. I'm just so excited. I could have easily ordered the kit from Amazon, but with all the extra stuff in it, but I was just like, you know what, I really want it today, and I might as well just go ahead and get it. So I'm just gonna head and open this. We're just gonna open it up. I'm gonna try to preserve the box as much as I can. Whoa. So it has this in here. Don't know what it is, but don't seem so important. And then we have a user's guide, a user manual right here. So what do we have? Okay, so right here we have this what you call it, the lanyard thing. This is what it looks like. It just has Canon, EOS, Canon, and then has the tie things. I'm not really sure how to work this, guys. I've never had a camera like this before, so this is all new to me. Yeah. So next, this is the battery pack. Well, like the battery charger. So this is what it looks like. And it just folds out like that. You plug it into the wall and put it up just like that. And then this is the battery right here. So you remove this, and here we are getting to the nitty-gritty part. So these are the lens, and this is the body. So I'll put this down now. Which one should we open first? Which one? Which one you want? I don't know. Let's open the body first. Okay, so oh my God. I am just shook. I am just amazed, okay? Like, I am honestly just, I'm just shook. This is mine. This is mine. Oh my God. Okay. I'm gonna set it right here. All right. So let's open the lens. And the lens will be on this thing. This just came with it, the generic lens that comes with it. I do want to eventually get more lens and stuff, but as I grow more on YouTube. So this is what the lens look like, and I'm not really sure how to put it on, but we gonna okay, so maybe, okay, so that's what it looks like. And then Okay. Okay, so I finally got it on here. You can literally go just like that. Yeah, okay, so it's definitely heavier with the lens on. So I imagine like holding this vlogging, like, yeah, it's gonna get tiring. And looks just like that. I'll just keep this on here though. Oh, this is for like a mic or something. All right, guys, so I am filming on my phone and my camera, so you guys can see the difference in the quality. Okay, I have my ring light on. I have my same ring light on that I have always used to film videos, and this is what the quality looks like. I have an iPhone 12 Pro Max. That is what I have been filming on for about the last few months or whatever. Not a 12, I got an 11 Pro Max. Good, you gassing yourself. And this is my Canon on this side where I'm looking. This is my Canon Rebel T8i, and this is my 11 Pro Max. So yeah, guys, this is the quality difference, and I noticed a huge difference. I look more vibrant and bright and happy on here, and I look more dull. But you know, this is still good for beginners, and I'm still a beginner. Like, I've only been on YouTube for like 3 years. But no, I'm super excited about this camera, guys. I'm just overjoyed. Like, I'm just overwhelmed. But you see the quality, you see the difference. So yeah, so I'm gonna cut this video off right here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know I like recorded this video in like on 2 different days, but you guys see the quality of this video. This camera is amazing. I really love this camera. So grateful, so blessed to have been able to purchase this camera. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of every single time that I post. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.